All right, as Megan mentioned, still a little bit cool across the northern half of the state today. A little bit of a northerly component to the wind, keeping temperatures down from where they would otherwise be without a northerly wind out there. 47 degrees, our high temperature today in Flagstaff, several degrees below the average of 52 for this time of year. The coldest morning yet of the season, down to 13 degrees out at Pulliam Airport, and not even near the record low temperature set for this day. 3 degrees and a long-standing record at that, all the way back to the first year that they started keeping records here in Flagstaff back in 1898. All right, in the precipitation category, 25.61. You know, this stat just doesn't get old here, as we're well above average on the calendar year, so over 6.5 inches above average, 136% of average seasonal rainfall. And the National Weather Service just put together a nice tab on their page, the El Nino monitor, and I just went and took this little graphic off their page, and here it tracks our precipitation since October 2015. Right here, this dark line, the normal is this brown line, and what they've done here is track this precipitation year to other El Nino years and how we compare. And you can see we're kind of right in the middle of the pack. 1957 was wetter at this date, and it was also more wet in 1972 at this day. But you go back to some other strong El Ninos, and we're kicking butt on them. So this has been a great year here with precipitation, and it looks like there's more coming down the pipe. But in the meantime, we have several nice days of weather. We switch it out to the Pacific Ocean, and you can notice not a lot going on here from California towards the southwest. Very wet setup with just train of moisture going into the Pacific Northwest and the coastal mountains of Washington. Flood watches up to 12 plus inches of moisture, rain coming down this atmospheric river of moisture for them. In the meantime, that stays away from us for the next several days. Tomorrow, still a cool day with a little bit of a northerly wind. Saturday, we warm up a little as the wind switches to a more southwesterly direction. Then Sunday, still mild temperatures, but we're going to start to turn windy because a branch of this big storm system starts to drop down through California. Not a very optimum trajectory for a big wet storm. It's going to be similar to the storm that we saw this week. Very fast, very cold, with a quick shot of some snow, probably down around 4,000 feet, and that's Sunday night into Monday night. So pretty mild around here all the way through Sunday, although the wind picks up Sunday, and then Monday, much colder, windy, with some snow flying around for us for much of northern and central Arizona. Just looking for a trace to a couple inches. A very similar looking storm, as I just said, to the one we had earlier this week. Currently outside, it's already down to 34 at the south rim of the canyon. It's 50 in Winslow right now. 41, I don't think that's quite right for you in Sedona. It's 41 for us in Flagstaff right now. Overnight tonight, another cold night, not quite as cold as it was this morning. A little bit of high cloud cover out there helps keep in a little bit of the radiation we're trying to lose. And for us tomorrow, a couple degrees warmer, forecasting 51. 52 is the average for this time of year. So we're right in the middle of the pack here with mid-November days and how they go. 66 in Sedona tomorrow, gorgeous day down there. Prescott 63, 54 for you in Page, 64 in Payson. All right, so Saturday looks to be the warmest day, mid-50s for us in Flagstaff. Great day to get outside, get done what you need to do. Still a lot of winter preps to get done around the yard because this next storm system is going to be a cold one, only 33 on Monday.